Welcome all of you. In this video we are going to solve another exponential equation. If 15 raised to power x is equal to 9 raised to power y, then we have to find the value of 5 raised to power 3x divided by 2y minus x. And x and y are the real number. Before starting, you are requested to watch the complete video, like this solution and share it with your friends. It is given that 15 raised to power x is equal to 9 raised to power y. We can write 15 as 3 times 5 whole power x, and 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2 because 3 times 3 is 9 and whole power y. Now we are going to write this separately. 3 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x, and here on this side we are going to multiply these two powers. 3 raised to power 2y. Because we use power of a power rule here, that says if a raised to power m raised to power n mean nested power, so we can multiply these two powers m times n. Basically we multiply these two powers, 2 times y is 2y. In the next step we are going to take this 3x to the right hand side, so it will be divided. 5 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 2y divided by 3 raised to power x. 5 raised to power x. To solve the dividing power with the same base, we can subtract the powers. For that we are going to use quotient rule of power. That says if a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, it can be written as a raised to power m minus n. So we are going to write it as 3 raised to power 2y, and this x will be subtracted. At this step, we are going to divide the powers by 1 over 2y minus x on the both sides. 1 over 2y minus x, and this 3 raised to power 2y minus x, 1 over 2y minus x. Left hand side can be written as 5 raised to power x, x times 1 is x, divided by 2y minus x is equal to this, and this will be crossed out, equals to 3. As we can see that we have to find the value of 5 raised to power 3x divided by 2y minus x. So we are going to take cube on both sides of this equation. 5 raised to power x divided by 2y minus x cube is equal to 3 cube. Using power of a power rule, we can multiply the power. 5 raised to power 3x divided by 2y minus x is equal to 3 cube, means 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. So the value of 5 raised to power 3x divided by 2y minus x, which we have to find out, that is equal to 27. I hope you find this solution easy. If you have any query, write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.